So automating my business is something that I feel like is super important. It saves time. I talked about this in my last video. Your bookings need to be automated. You can't be texting back and forth, trying to figure out what time y'all both available, typing up invoices and contracts every time, or asking the same questions repeatedly. Instead, you can have your templates in your notes, or you can have email signatures that you use repeatedly. Even Facebook and Instagram has autoresponders. And when it comes to scheduling, why not use Calendly or Google Calendar? To be efficient, you must save time so that in turn you can focus on getting leads. I talked about some tools that I use as far as Calendly. I use Zapier. I use CRM systems. Just anything that I can do to save time and do things faster. I've even created code so that I can, get forms in. It automatically populates into my database. I can click one button, populate a quote and a contract just based off that. So, that's a whole job that I will probably have to be paying somebody to do. Now I only have to click one button and get that going. And mind you, once I do click that quote button, it sends a draft email to my inbox. So all I have to do is go ahead and check out the draft, change anything if I needed to really quick, and then just click send. I want to invite you to my Back to Business Bootcamp on November 27th through the 29th. And the purpose of the event is to help businesses plan, goal set, and prepare for 2024. So again, if you're available and you don't already have a marketing plan for 2024, I'd love for you to join us on November 27th through the 29th, right after Thanksgiving, so we can get back to business. Even if you can't make it every day, the sessions will be recorded. So I hope to see y'all at the Back to Business Bootcamp. If not, I hope to cross paths with you soon.